Good morning, squad! Now, if you're wondering why I'm making so much noise in today's intro of the episode, it's because this one decided to fall asleep on the sofa instead of coming to bed and joining her lovely husband. No, she opted to stay here and watch Netflix. Incorrect. Anyway, you can kick off today's episode with a fat loss tip, please. Sleep. Did you sleep? Or did you watch TV? Did you sleep? You slept?
I'm sleeping now.
Well, anyway, she has a valid point.
So back to sleep.
We'll go to the bedroom to sleep. She has a valid point. Sleep. Fat loss tip today is sleep more. Why? Because good quality sleep, not the sleep like that, good quality sleep will help you metabolize cortisol. And cortisol, do you mind? Cortisol is a steroid hormone that we all have, which releases in excess when we're stressed. Now that stress hormone causes us to store fat around our stomach, and we all know we don't want fat around the stomach, so sleep more. I would suggest getting 8 hours plus of quality sleep in a nice big bed. So there's your fat loss tip for today. Anyway, I am off to the gym. Okay, so Viv has a stress hormone called Michael. I've never met that stress hormone, but anyway, I'm off to the gym. But before I do that, I'm gonna have my pre-workout, which today is coffee, because someone hasn't yet ordered our supplements. Anyway, coffee, gym. Do you need a pre-workout drink or supplement? The short answer is no, but it can help improve your performance, give you that energy boost that you need. It can ramp up your metabolism, and it can also help increase sweating during your session. Now, depending on the blend, obviously there are other benefits. I take the Women's Best pre-workout. I'm out today, so I'm having black coffee. I'm gonna list on the screen some alternatives if you don't like any supplements or coffee, or if you're sensitive to caffeine, that you can have as a pre-workout. Anyway, down the hatch, and straight to my session.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. H6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping.
That is the second workout done with dumbbells, and you can see it on the screen, so you can go smash it. My goodness, that's 20 minutes worth of working out, and my whole body feels wrecked. That's what our workouts will do to you. Go smash the workout. Let me know in the comments below how you get on. Now for some food.
Hey, Mrs. Muscle is awake, alive, kicking, and she's come through with my post-workout breakfast. Thank you, babes.
Powerful breakfast.
What do we
It
have?
is high in carbs, high in protein, and also high in fiber. Low to moderate fats, but it covers the major macronutrients, and it's going to help replenish Mike's body after his workout. So the protein is also really important for help building lean muscle, but also helping for recovery of that muscle.
Can you just show us what lean muscle looks like? Because you're way more lean than I am. Guys, look at this. I obviously admire my wife's body because she works hard. And back to what you were saying. So protein, good for recovery.
And yes, repair. Okay, so we have the carbs, which is high in fiber as well, which is very good for your digestive system. So if you do have trouble with your digestive system, try having more fiber, as well as water as well. But the carbs are going to help replenish your glycogen stores in your muscles and give you back some energy and life. And the maple syrup is just a nice sweet twist that Mike absolutely loves, and to be honest, I love with pancakes.
It's true, but I'll give you the real reason why I love adding the maple syrup, especially post-workout, not just any other time of the day, because it is pure carbs, quick digesting carbs to replenish those muscle fibers. I think Viv will be able to do that better.
You should have lots of muscles in your wrist from all the work.
Yeah, for all the typing. Right, well, I'm gonna munch this as quickly as possible because we have a very busy day. Yeah. Thank you, babe. First on the agenda is Instagram. What are we doing for our Instagram today?
Okay, so we're going to be taking some pictures for our Instagram. I'm going to be including some swipe up links for each of these collections. So we've got the Flex, the Adapt range, and also the Vitals. So you know where you want to go if you pick out your outfit in advance.
All right, let's get these pictures done. And we have finished shooting those pictures. It took an hour and a half longer than expected because somebody is indecisive. Now, of course, I've got to forgive her because look how much fire she is emitting in that green.
Well, thank you very much.
You're looking fire, Spud. You are looking fire. Okay, I know you felt that. Wait, I'm sorry, ouch. Tell me quickly, yeah, you hit the golden hard booty.
His bum is so hard.
It really is, pure muscle. Tell me, what is tonight's workout?
Oh, okay, so tonight we'll be doing an upper body workout.
Yes,
So
now,
get
she says
your
we.
guns ready.
She says we, she means you guys. I'm not going to be on the mat, I'm behind the scenes.
Biceps, but still.
Okay,
Power.
well, upper body workout, dumbbells, no dumbbells?
Dumbbells, yes, you will need a pair.
Okay, you need a pair of dumbbells. So if you haven't yet done the workout and it's already uploaded, go and do it, then come back to the vlog. And if the workout's not yet uploaded, wait till after the vlog and go and do it. But either way, get the workout done. All right. Action.
Ready?
I'm ready if you are. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can I get a, I'm ready!
Ready?
Louder! So, it's been a long day. The bags are starting to form and we hardly completed what we needed to complete for the day. But we're going to sign this vlog off by answering some of your questions. Question number 1. I keep hearing the term calorie deficit. Could you please explain the pros and cons of it? What's a calorie deficit?
Okay, so a calorie deficit is when you consume less calories than your maintenance calories.
Yes.
Now, the pro of this would be weight loss.
Yes, and the cons? The cons are many. If you do this incorrectly, it can lead to stagnation, and by that I mean you won't lose any more weight. On top of that, you can slow down your metabolism severely, and then it can lead to hormonal issues or imbalances. So make sure that when you're doing a calorie deficit, you're doing it properly. Don't drop your calories dramatically. Drop them by like 100 to 500 calories at the most.
And
Or-
also, I was going to say,
go on.
what's your or? Are we going to say the same thing?
All right, well, okay, maybe. My or is, or increase the amount of calories that you expend. So do a little bit more exercise. That can also increase the calorie deficit. What was yours?
That was a good one, but it was actually different as well. And I just wanted to say, if you are reducing your calories, just make sure that you're having both your micro and your macronutrients. So all those little vitamins
very
and
important.
minerals, as well as your protein, fats, and your carbs. So make sure to get those in, because if you're
Yes.
dropping your calories, you're getting less of those as well.
Very, very true. Okay, I can't lose weight anymore. It stops. What should I do? There are several things that you can do. Any ideas?
Okay, so this is generally known as a plateau. Plateau?
Plateau, yeah.
Plateau? Yes. Okay, so what you can do is change up your training and also your nutrition as well. So in terms of your training, you can increase the intensity by adding sets, adding reps, increasing time under tension, and also
There's plenty of variables, but when it comes to...
playing around with your tempo.
Yes, but then also the nutrition. Have a look at your nutrition. There are reasons why you've stopped losing weight or hit that plateau. Maybe you cut your calories too low. So what I would suggest is taking a break from absolutely everything for at least up to a week. Make sure you're consuming your maintenance calories and then start again from there, because that can kickstart the metabolism again and get you back on track to your weight loss.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say also to increase your weight, so progress your weight after about 4 to 6 weeks, especially if you're training in the gym.
Yes. Okay. Have you ever taken a long break and had trouble getting back into it? Me personally, yes. I think it happens to absolutely everybody. That's normal. It comes down to your motivation and your goals. If you do take a long break, don't just expect to pick up from where you left off. Your strength does start to decrease after I think it's like 2 weeks or something like that.
Reversibility actually kicks in from as little as 3 days.
Oh, well, there you go.
I mean, you will maintain most of your strength.
She's the sports scientist. So reversibility can kick in from as little as 3 days. So look, just don't expect to jump in where you left off. You're going to have to work your way back up, and that's okay. That's okay.
But
It's not a race, it's a
if you
marathon.
do take the time off, try and eat well, just to maintain at least what you have in terms of like physical strength, energy, and metabolism.
Yes. Okay. Is that a studio or your house with the big windows where you film the workouts? It is our apartment. So it's not a house, it's an apartment. Is it spacious and big? It is. But we make do with this space because it doubles up as our filming studio as well. And that answers that question. Right, let's see if we can get through a few more questions. What we've got. Okay, I don't actually know the answer to this, but How many calories do you eat in a day, Viv?
Me, I couldn't tell you because at the moment I'm a bit more of an intuitive eater, which means that I try to stay away from foods that give me bloat or make me feel bloated basically.
Bloated, inflamed.
And also just eating your generals, protein, carbs, and your fats as well.
Look, I recommend tracking your calories in the beginning of your weight loss journey. If if you need accountability for figuring out what you're eating, how much you're eating, and there are plenty of online calculators that can help you. I would highly recommend, if you're new to tracking and counting your calories, to go and purchase our meal plans. We give you a full guide as to how to do that, as well as the foods to eat, and they're 4-week meal plans to kind of get you started. So head over to our website and get that done. Okay. Do you and hubby work out together every day? No. Nada. Oh, nada is not. Yeah, it is no, isn't it? Nada? Never? Nada? Okay, no. The answer's no.
No, nada is that. That's
Yeah,
never.
nada's no. No, nada's.
Nada?
Okay, sorry.
What
we'll get
language are you speaking?
Spanish, I think. Let me don't put me on the spot. Do we work out together every day? No, because Viv is a beast when it comes to working out, and I'm a baby, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. But no, as you've seen from the beginning of this vlog, I like to go up to the gym sometimes. There's heavier weights in the gym than what we have here in the house, so it's great for me. And Mrs. Muscle absolutely loves working out at home, smashing through our workouts, which we hope you do too. Okay, let's see if we can get a couple more in. I can see already battery is very low. This is gonna cut. Okay, guys, we're gonna try and get one more question. Where are you from? Okay, so many of you have already guessed from our accent. We're from the UK. What part of the UK are we from?
North London.
North London. That's correct. That's where we're from. I think the battery on this phone is not going to let us continue. But the good news is my new phone is on its way.
Yay!
I got the message from Apple today, so I can't wait to get the new phone. It's going to have crispier looks. It's not going to be a little bit grainy like it is right now. Anyway, to sign off, we hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Another episode of BTS, Behind the Sweat, is in the back. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Even if you didn't like it, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can crush all of those workouts. And check in the description box, those links, because the GYMSHARK sale is live from today. So make sure you're ahead of the curve. And there are some men's stuff in there. I did a bad job. Dudes, if you're watching, trust me, there's some bargains in there. Go and grab them. And I think that's it. Just to echo what I said at the beginning of the week, if you haven't yet downloaded our free guide, I'll put a link in the description. You can get that too. Anything else?
Stay awesome.
Stay awesome. Bye.